Johnny Depp has appeared at the High Court in London for hearing in his libel case against British tabloid newspaper. The Hollywood actor is suing the publishers of The Sun and its executive editor, Dan Wootton, over an article which alleged he had been abusive to his former wife Amber Heard. The Pirates of the Caribbean star, wearing suit and blue-tinted glasses, sat in court behind his lawyers at pre-trial review hearing on Wednesday. Mr. Depp, 55, denies the allegations of domestic abuse and has accused Ms. Heard of being the aggressor in their relationship, which ended in May 2016. He listened as barrister David Sherburne told the court that the case was very unusual in the sense that Ms. Heard's allegations against her ex-husband have been publicly aired on massive scale in the media, largely by the actress herself. Mr. Sherburne said the trial, which is due to start on March 23 and last for 10 days, will involve evidence which is diametrically opposed. He told Mr. Justice Nicol, "There is such contrast between the version of events that is provided by Ms. Heard and that provided by Mr. Depp. It is black and white. One person, one side, is lying, and one is not. Obviously, we say that it is Ms. Heard who is lying. Mr. Depp is 100% clear about that." The barrister told the court Ms. Heard's allegations date back to the early stage of the couple's relationship in 2013, before they married in 2015. He also referred to recordings of Ms. Heard, 33, which recently came to light, in which she appears to discuss having been physically violent towards Mr. Depp. Mr. Sherburne said that evidence demonstrates in her own voice that she was not victim of domestic abuse, but rather that she was the aggressor. He added that, in the recordings, Ms. Heard is apparently heard to say that no one would believe Mr. Depp if he claimed to be victim of domestic violence. The court heard number of witnesses will either attend the trial or appear over video link, many from California, to give evidence in support of either Mr. Depp or Ms. Heard. The libel claim, against news group newspapers and Mr. Wootton, arises out of publication of an article in The Sun in April 2018 under the headline "Gone Potty, How Can J.K. Rowling Be Genuinely Happy Casting Wife-Beater Johnny Depp in the New Fantastic Beasts Film?" Mr. Sherburne told the court the words "wife-beater" were later removed from the article online. The court previously heard Mr. Depp's case as that the article bears the meaning that he was guilty, on overwhelming evidence, of serious domestic violence against his then-wife, causing significant injury and leading to her fearing for her life, for which the claimant was constrained to pay no less than £5 million to compensate her, and which resulted in him being subjected to continuing court restraining order, and for that reason is not fit to work in the film industry. Mr. Depp has brought separate libel proceedings against Ms. Heard in the U.S., which Mr. Sherburne said are ongoing. Amber Heard's UK legal counsel, Jennifer Robinson, responded to the News Today in statement. Mr. Depp has reopened historic matters to vindicate his reputation at the expense of Ms. Heard, who was awarded restraining order against him in the U.S. As we heard in court today, Mr. Depp's legal team is engaging in victim blaming. Depp and Heard met on the set of 2011 comedy The Rum Diary and married in Los Angeles in February 2015. In May 2016, Heard obtained restraining order against Depp after accusing him of abuse, which he denied. The couple settled their divorce out of court in 2017, with Heard donating her $7 million £5 million settlement to charity. Both actors signed non-disclosure agreements barring them from discussing their relationship publicly. In joint statement, they said their relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love. They added, "Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of physical or emotional harm."